So this is the drain system of a front load washing machine. Okay, so these are pump number one. This one is for removing water from the machine. Okay, this one here hooks on this for removing water from the machine, and then this one here is for mixing water. This one here. So what happens when it's washing, this one pumps water back into the drum, round, and then this one is only for draining. Okay, and this one is the water filter. So any dirt or foreign objects that pass the drum stick here are to be trapped here. So when the machine is just draining or giving you an OE error, what you do somewhere here, so you open this. When you open this, you will access the filter. You will open the filter.